Let's play memory. First, pick a card and flip it over. Now another. Wow, a match on your first try. Good job!
My turn.
Now pick another. Let's see what you found. A pink piglet and a blue chick. Not a match. Let's turn them over and try again. You found a blue chick and a Neapolitan calf. Not a match. Let's turn them back over and try again. There's the Neapolitan calf. Do you remember where it was? That's the pink piglet. Not a match, but very close. Which card would you like to pick? We have a little lamb. And a purple foal. Not a match. Remember where they are and try again. A little lamb with a purple blanket. And the purple foal. Do you remember where the purple foal was? That's a match. Good job. A pink piglet. Where was that one hiding? There's our piglet. Good job. The little lamb. Where was that other one hiding? Was it under here? That's a lamb, but not the right one. Try again. The Neapolitan calf. Where was that one hiding? The other calf. That's a match. The blue chick. Have we seen the other blue chick yet? A lamb wearing a purple blanket. Not a match. Let's try again. The blue chick. We know where that one's hiding. Two blue chicks. That's a match. Good job. Last 4 cards. Only 2 matches left. We know where that lamb is. There's our lamb with the blanket. And the last 2. The lamb with the green square. That's all the baby farm animals for this memory game. Good job, everyone. Thanks for helping. Please subscribe for more videos.